Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 12th to 26th. For December 12th to 16th, the flow remains pretty much the same that what we've been experiencing. We still have our origin of the Aleutians, trough here, extending across the west. Above normal heights zone of flow with above normal heights here in the east. And we have this ridge across the Gulf of Mexico. And as we look at the different models and various days, you see there's very little change in the overall pattern. The trough in the west will maintain unsettled conditions, and we'll take a look at that at the surface. Here's one system coming in. We have like a strong flow of moisture coming in from the tropics into the west, and then it progresses into the Rockies, and we have another one moving in on Wednesday, and that brings more rain, and it might extend further south. This is where the area where it needs more rain, but the rainfall could extend further southward. We're going to see how that comes in. You see right here, this is the GFS, brings some rain, mountain snows to parts of the Great Basin and the Four Corners. We'll have to see how that goes. Another thing, the ridge in the east will cause temperatures to be much above normal during this period. Okay, also, I'm going to show we'll have low pressure that will lift northeastward. We're going to go here, lift northeastward through the plains right here. And this system will bring snow to the northern plains. Rain to the east. Here's our cold front. And it'll lift northward, and then this surge around this high into the east central states will cause above normal temperatures. We're going to look at the period now for December 17th to 21st. Here we are at the 17th to go to the 21st. Very little overall changes forecast. Ridge, trough, ridge configuration, zone of flow across the east. And the models are good agreement. So for this forecast period, still calling for below normal temperatures here. And I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal temperatures forecast here. And I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 12 degrees above normal. And I think this might be a little off. I think it'd be more extended into the red, where the most warmth will be. The greatest anomalies are going to be a little more northward, I think, on that. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is up to 45%. Now, one thing I want to look, let me see if I'm up to that time period. Okay, during that period of December, well, actually, it's like December 12th to 16th. Here's a look at the polar vortex. It's kind of like on the other side of the pole, so it's becoming elongated, and when it becomes elongated, there's a chance of it maybe even splitting, but more so weakening. So this is a look here. This is the extension. These are the ensemble means of temperatures and geoheight anomalies for this area. But here's the polar vortex. So at this time it remains here. This is valid the 10th. So we still have to watch that. Now we're going to get back to the forecast for December 22nd to 26th. We're going to start that. And if you look at most of the models, they maintain, whoops, what happened there? Oh no, did we lose it? Yes, we did. Okay, most of the models, except for the GFS, maintain a pattern mentioned above, but the ensemble means, we'll look at the ensemble means for this period, have more like a zone of flow. here, trough still across this area. So for this, they're all going out. So for this forecast period, calling for little change in temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%, and then we have below normal temperature precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 12th to 26th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.